Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Bhumika and I hope you all are doing absolutely great. So I'm vlogging today. I will be shooting for my Instagram. I'll shoot a fashion video, some reels and a self-portrait. So if you're someone interested, then keep on watching. And if you're new to my channel, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube family. And without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So the very first thing I have to do is wash my hair. I oiled them last night and अरे यार. So now I'll take a shower and catch you guys in a while. Hi, so I just got out of my shower. Now the very first thing that I'll do is I'll note down the outfits that I want to create today. So the very first video I'm shooting is an Instagram styling video on styling a turtleneck in different ways. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram so you will get to see the outcome there. And this is my notebook and I'll write down the sequence of outfits. Then what I'll do next is मैं सारे outfits sequence wise arrange करके रखूंगी. After that what I'll do is I set up the backdrop and arrange the clothes in the sequence which I have written. For backdrop this is the cupboard and मैं यहाँ पे white bedsheet hang करती हूँ. Mostly I go for white background. So I'll hang the bedsheet here and then we'll start shooting. So first let's make the list. I have the outfits in my mind but it's better if I note them down because I won't miss out on anything. So this is how I arrange my clothes. And now let's set up the backdrop and start the shoot. So as you guys saw, I have arranged the outfits in a sequence in which I want to shoot them. So the next step is to arrange the backdrop. So as I told, I use this cupboard and what I do is I hang the bedsheet here. Please ignore the mess. It is what it is. So now I'll hang the bedsheet, then I'll get ready and we'll start the shoot. So as I told you guys, I use a white bedsheet for the backdrop. So now let's hang it and then we have to get ready. Finally, as you saw, I'm done shooting the Instagram styling video and the mess behind me is what I created. You can see it clearly. So the most difficult part is cleaning this because if I don't do it right now, I don't know when will I do it. So mostly I try cleaning it immediately after the shoot. So firstly we'll clean this and then we'll hop on to the next one, that is the reels. So let's do this. I'm finally done cleaning the clothes and I'm already so tired, but we have to shoot a reel, and as we all know, Diwali is around the corner, so I thought why not shoot a festive reel. So for the second part I want to be all dressed up. मैं एक लहंगा पहनूंगी. So first what I'll do is I'll shoot the second half of the reel and then we'll shoot the first half. Also an update, I am cancelling my portrait shoot, like self-portrait shoot. I'll do it some other day and I'll show you guys how I shoot my reels. Also I'll show you how I edit them on my phone because I edit all of my photos and videos on my phone. But first let's shoot the reel and then we'll move on to the editing part. Marking here so that I'll keep the toe at the same position for the next clip. I'm all changed and removed my makeup. Now we'll shoot is the first half of the reel. What I have done is I have done a marking with a tape where I'll keep my leg and start the video. So let's see how it goes. So finally I'm done with shooting the transition reel and now comes the editing part. So for editing I generally use VLLO and this is how I edit my videos. Open the VLLO app and select the videos that you want to edit. Now after selecting the size of what ratio you want, edit the video from where you want to actually start it and then crop it at where you want the transition to happen. After that, select the second clip and select the part from where the transition should start. While doing this, make sure you give it some time because this is gonna make a lot of difference in the video. Now select the videos that you want to keep and keep trying the transition part again and again until you get the perfect one. You can slow down the speed of the clip or you can also fast forward it if you want. There are many other features that this app has like adding transition, filters, music and much more. I have linked it in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. So to see the final outcome of the Instagram reel and the video, make sure you follow me on my Instagram. Also subscribe to my channel for more such videos and I'll see you guys next time. Till then, bye!